My name is William Gluck III. What a rooster, what a bird. My father was a famous clock. His father, too, was no dumb dog. And in their footsteps I continue to muster every verb and sinew, to lend a wing to others, too, may not feel as well as you. So if you're feeling like hitting the ceiling, down in the dumps, sick of your humps, flat on your tail, or out of luck, just give a wail to Dr. Gluck. Just give a wail.
הוא נתן שם שלושה דברים שאני אזכיר רק אחד מהם, והוא אומר, המחסום העיקרי של אנשים להיות קריאטיביים, חדשניים, מקוריים, זה הפחד להיראות טיפש. הכנס הזה יהיה למדרגת ספונטניות עוד יותר גדולה מאשר כרגיל.
למה היא מתוכננת?
לא, למה אני רואה על מה אני צריך לדבר כשקיבלתי את הדף הזה. אז ראיתי על מה אני כתבתי בוויקי שאני צריך לדבר. קודם כל אני רוצה להודות מקרב לב לכל הספונסרים שלנו שמארחים אותנו כאן. השמות של כולם תלויים כאן בשלטים מסביב. מכללת אפקה, מכללת אפקה, הקריה ללימודי הנדסה וטכנולוגיה של מכללת אפקה, מכללת אפקה ומכללת אפקה.
Two of his most amazing sculptures. He thinks they're alone. Ladies and gentlemen.
Something happens with you in the song, you come up with that idea, and you actually execute on it. But when you're actually executing, you're usually not thinking that deeply. And imagine if you could somehow harness some of that energy, some of that creative juice that got you to that aha moment. Because to me, life is about those aha moments. I do my best thinking in the shower. I sometimes have great shower moments, I guess is the word. And I mean, yes, I know. However, some of the ideas for companies which I started all came from the shower.
Natalie, hold your hands like this, okay? And I'm going to try, if it's real close, yes, I cannot take it out. I'm going to try to do something, and now you take it. Can you throw it up in the air? Are you sure that you can do it?
Yeah.
Throw it up in the air. Opa! Very difficult.
My name is William Gluck III. What a rooster, what a bird. My father was a famous clock. His father, too, was no dumb dog. And in their footsteps I continue to muster every verb and sinew, to lend a wing to others, too, may not feel as well as you. So if you're feeling